just be talking about what it was like as food bloggers, because our experience is unique this year. Everyone's experience for Thanksgiving is unique, but we want to talk to you about the perspective, what it's like as food bloggers, what we go through, because actually as a food blogger, Thanksgiving is the highest traffic day for most food bloggers. It's my highest day. And this year was unprecedented. Highest traffic, and it was just amazing. As a matter of fact, I stayed up. To answer. Everyone, we're so excited.
Hey everyone.
This is our happy time of the year. We celebrate Thanksgiving because we're thankful, and we're thankful every single day. But more so on Thanksgiving, because as food bloggers, that's when we get our highest amount of traffic, because everyone's cooking. And that's what we want for you to do. We want for you to cook. We want for you to come to our website, and we're going to talk about it and share what it is like as food bloggers to go through Thanksgiving. Quite different from the regular, from the norm.
There's never a dull moment for sure.
Never a dull moment.
Creating, constantly trying to provide. It's never a dull moment.
Yes. So I blog over at Healthier Steps, healthiersteps.com, and Mimi, she blogs over at Savory Thoughts.
Yes.
These are mostly Jamaican, but international. And also Mimi, her recipes mostly Haitian, but she blogs about every other culinary dishes. So we do fusion dishes, and we're just so excited. Welcome. Yes. Let us know where you are tuning in from. Let us know in the comments.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Yeah. All right. You want me to start?
Yes, please.
We're going to be asking each other questions, and I'm going to go through. The first question I have from Mimi is, how did you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving this year was different. Normally, we host Thanksgiving for our family. And this year, due to the pandemic, of course, so we actually had exactly 10 people in our house.
Wow, that's a lot.
But 4 adults and 6 kids. That's it.
Wow.
So, yes, they're actually downstairs now.
How many people you do normally have before?
Between 15 to 20. Wow. You know, so it's usually like the family, the in-laws, they come.
Nice.
Blended in with our family. So then sometimes we'll have extended friends, but about 20, if that.
Nice.
And then, but this year we also attempted to do virtual Thanksgiving with my sister.
How was that?
It didn't go so well.
Oh, we're going to talk about that later. Let me answer how mine was. Then we're going to talk about, hold that comment. And
okay.
Welcome, Laura. She's tuning in from London, England, and it's maybe about 6 o'clock there in England. Welcome. We're happy to have you. Welcome. And let us know who else. We know you're here with us. We're happy you're here. Tell us where you're from. And how did I celebrate Thanksgiving? Mine was the opposite. Mine was just family. It was very quiet. And so not the norm, but nevertheless, it was good. We celebrated.
It was good.
The next question is, what were the dishes you prepared?
Ours was limited. Because of the amount of people that were, New York City's in the house.
New York City, welcome.
So because we didn't have a lot of people, so we didn't cook a lot. We had the traditional, turkey, stuffing, no mashed potatoes, no cranberries, no mashed potatoes, no cranberries. We also had, macaroni for the kids. What else did we have? We had rice. We had red beans and rice. As Caribbean, we always have to have our rice and peas. So we had that. And collard greens from the website. So we had collard greens. And let's see, what else did we have? I think that's about it. And of course, sauce. Because Haitian people, we love sauce. So there's sauce for everything. Instead of gravy, we have sauce. So like a tomato sauce.
Nice,
So
nice,
we did that. That's about it, really. Oh, of course. The casserole, the sweet potato casserole,
nice.
and
Oh,
the corn
no,
casserole. We had that too.
no,
So yeah, not too much. That was it.
yeah. Well, for
So
me,
what about you?
it was vegan. So for me, I had what I do, guys. I killed what? Is it two birds with one stone?
Sugar
Well,
to one
anyway,
stone.
what I did was whatever recipes I'm gonna either put on the site later or then that's what I did. So for me, it was the cranberry sauce. I did mashed potatoes because I'd made gravy, so I wanted it
Mhm.
to take photos. And I did a new dish, and that was a quinoa with like a gluten-free veggie meat, and then I put a new kind of, I'll talk about that later. So that was what I did, and collard greens, and then I did like tofu instead of, I didn't do loaf this year because I normally do my loaf. So what I did was like tofu and like a brown tofu type of thing with gravy and
Mhm.
smothered tofu. And all these recipes are on my site. And I made a bread, cranberry orange bread.
Mhm.
And I think that was it. That was it. Yeah, that was it. But it was so good, so delicious. And I know there was, oh, and I did roasted. That's going to be on my website. Whole entire stalk of Brussels sprout roasted. That was epic because I enjoyed that. So
Nice.
that was ours this year.
Okay.
You know what? I
Sounds pretty low
planned to do
key.
so much more, but just never got the time.
So no virtual Thanksgiving for you?
No virtual, but a lot of phone calls. A lot of phone. I was on the
Mhm.
phone a lot. A lot. I was on the phone with readers. I was on my website a lot, comment, and with my family, it was a lot. My brother, especially, a lot because he made a lot of my dishes. He made
Nice.
mostly from my website. He did
Nice.
I have this flag cake that he loves, so he did the whole that. He's actually bringing it for a whole for his church. So he made
Nice.
that. He's made um meatballs, lentil meatballs. I made that, but I
Mhm.
made that the day before. So he made the lentil
Okay.
meatballs and gravy from my site. And there was another dish that he made. But he basically made the whole thing from my website. So he was showing me
Okay.
photos, commenting, and just letting me feedback. He tweeted them. So it was good. It was good.
That's nice.
That to
That's
me,
nice.
that's my
Yeah.
Thanksgiving. Yeah.
No, we had a few phone calls as well, but like I said, we attempted to do a virtual learning with virtual Thanksgiving with my sister-in-law. We didn't coordinate it well.
Oh no.
So she already ate and we're getting ready to eat. So we'll try again. We'll try again for Christmas and see what
Yes,
happens.
yes,
But
yes.
nonetheless, it was still nice to see the family because normally she's with us,
Right.
but it was still nice to see her and say happy happy Thanksgiving and still try to eat
I
together.
know. Eat virtually, huh?
Eat virtually, yes. Other than that, that's it. And we just spend the night and watch movies. What about you guys? What did you guys do?
Well,
Let us know.
basically, we just were together, but nothing, to me, it was nothing. We spent a lot of time outdoor in between too, because my husband was doing gardening and it's hot here.
Mhm.
So he was planting up and getting ready for the winter. So
Mhm.
basically, he spent most of the day outside. So in between, I'll go outside, see what he's doing, what he's planting, and what he's winterizing the vegetables. So basically, we're together. So that's what matters. We're
Mhm.
together as a
Mhm.
family. My daughter wasn't here, so she's coming for Christmas, but she came for my birthday, so that was good enough. She's like, Mom,
Mhm.
what's Thanksgiving? You're just gonna be eating anyway. We're just eating, so I'll come back. So it was good.
Right.
It was good.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
So
Have a blessed
welcome
week.
to our live. Just let us know where you're from, and we're discussing how we celebrated Thanksgiving as food bloggers. The next
So did
question,
you
uh,
go ahead?
do you,
Go ahead.
what unusual ingredient you use that you don't normally use?
For us, actually nothing.
So it's The same.
Everything was pretty much the same this year. Actually, no. I mean, the only thing that was different would probably be the red beans and rice as opposed to the Haitian black rice.
Right, right, right.
It was pretty low key for us. It was pretty low key.
I think it's
So,
more about being
how,
together as family because it's not the traditional Thanksgiving.
no,
So
it's not. No, it's not. But it was still good. I mean, at least with the 10 of us, it was still good. How about you? What did you guys do?
So I told you earlier, I made this quinoa dish. And what I added was I added little star anise to it, and that made it pop. I mean, I added like my veggie broth. I did a little coconut milk, so it was like a seasoned rice. But the new ingredient that I haven't used star anise for a long while, was I decided
Mm-hmm.
to add it to it, and it just took it to another level. It tastes amazing. And so that was unusual for me. So eventually I'll put that one on my website.
Nice. Okay.
The
Okay.
next question is, um, so basically, was it fuss free? Was your Thanksgiving fuss free?
Yes. Mainly because AJ does all the cooking, not me. No, because honestly, it was fuss free, and even watching him cook,
Right.
it wasn't as stressful because he did not prepare as many dishes as he usually do for Thanksgiving. So a lot of it were a lot of side dishes, and of course with the instant pot and have the double oven going. So it made life easier for him. So I mean, it was easy. It was very much easy. Looking at him, like we had time later to sit down and relax after we ate.
Yep.
So,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep. I would
So
say mine was
you?
stress free, fuss free. When you're cooking for yourself and your family, you don't have that anxiety issue. I'll make sure this is like you cook,
Mhm.
you put the same effort in the cooking, but you're not gonna be worried that is that person not gonna like it, and is that,
Exactly.
you know what I mean? You're not, that's not the back, or is everything gonna go smooth? Everything is gonna
Hmm.
go as planned. And so for me it was definitely fuss free. Definitely,
So
definitely.
did you set up the table, like a Thanksgiving table and
No,
everything?
no, no, no.
We didn't either. We
You
actually
didn't?
ate off the
Even though you had
counter.
guests, you didn't?
No.
So it
We
was
set
casual.
everything up on the island. That's
Yeah,
it. We have just set it up on the island, and we have an extra table
yeah.
that we set the kids on, and that was that.
That's
We
what,
didn't do anything.
for me, from as
No.
far as I can remember, mine was straight from the pot, and I shared. You need
What
some,
about you
you need
guys?
days
Did you
like that,
guys?
when you don't have to, you can relax. I'm happy for it.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
food tasted great. Everyone was happy. And some days you just need to not be as formal. And this Thanksgiving, I would say, wasn't that formal setting and all that. No.
What about you guys? What did you guys do differently?
Yes, let us know.
How
Comment
did you guys
below.
celebrate?
I know Ontario Mama is here, but she's in Canada, so they already celebrated their Thanksgiving earlier.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So let us know in the comments.
Okay. So any other questions, Michelle?
All right, so now it's post Thanksgiving. And um teriyaki seasoned salmon. Oh, teriyaki flavor. She went a little Japanese on us there. Like
No
no, who says
turkey.
no turkey? Yep.
You know, a lot of
What
people
did
don't
you
do
do
turkey for
instead of the
Thanksgiving.
turtle? Because you did the season. Is it teriyaki? Is that? Oh yeah, she did the
Teriyaki
fish
seasoned
instead.
salmon.
Nice. Wow.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Sometimes it's
That's
good to
good.
change up from the traditional.
What
You
did you pair
a
it
fish
with?
Wellington on Christmas Day. Beef Wellington. I think that's gonna be very nice. I love the
Okay.
idea. For me, I haven't done Wellington because sometimes it's very difficult because I'm gluten free as well. It's very
Mm-hmm.
difficult for me to find the pastry crust, the flaky pastry. Is
Mm-hmm.
it fake? I think it's flaky pastry that is used. Let me know if it's flaky pastry, please, Laura.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a company, Shars, that does carry flaky pastry, but it's so hard to find. I mean, I don't think it's here in Florida that I got it. I think I got it in Alabama. So that one, I'd have to go searching for, but I'd love to do a Wellington. I know my family would enjoy it. You also did baked snapper. So that, wow. So really,
Wow.
you did fish this year.
So this is the fish. I have a red snapper recipe on the site. You should check it out.
Welcome, Sean. Happy
Yeah,
Thanksgiving.
that's different because normally you'll see fish for Christmas or Easter.
Yeah, that's more what? New Year's? They do fish?
New Year's, yeah.
Okay, New Year's.
So that's good. Okay.
Different. That's
So
different.
what did you pair it with? What did you guys pair your fish or your seafood with? That's different, especially the teriyaki salmon.
Teriyaki. Yeah, that one you'd have to really, probably rice, I'm thinking.
Rice. Let's see what else. Some
Veg.
sort of green salad would be good with it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome to our live. Oh, mac and cheese. Interesting. Mac and cheese, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Speaking of mac and cheese, Michelle, you guys, this is why I love this live because during the research and learning about this new way of eating, rice and sauce bar. Wait a minute, are you Haitian?
And she got to be Haitian. I see her top why I said she's Haitian. Jerkwins, that's Jamaican.
Look at
Caribbean
that.
thing going on. Lots
Rice
of
and
Caribbean. She's like you. A lot of Caribbean, like my cousin called me from Connecticut. And she was like, Sonia was like, Michelle, Thanksgiving is not a big deal for us. I'm like, really? She's like, no, we're going to do Christmas. That's what we're going to do, our huge
That's big. That's big for
and
us.
I
Yeah.
remember back home growing up, we didn't do Thanksgiving naturally. I mean, nowadays I hear them on the radio talking about Thanksgiving. I'm like, Thanksgiving in Jamaica?
No, it's Christmas
They're saying Happy
and New
Thanksgiving.
Year.
I'm like, what? But we did.
Christmas and New Year.
It was Christmas. It was the big celebration where we do
Yeah.
lots of food. I mean, food.
Yes.
You're cooking for the neighborhood. You're cooking 8, 12 Christmas cakes. You're
Saute
doing,
kale.
you know it. Saute kale.
Saute
Saute kale is
kale,
nice.
yes.
Oh yeah, it is soft puff pastry. Thank you,
Sorry,
Tara. Yeah. It's hard for me to find it gluten-free, and I don't want to make my own. Mixed greens,
So
salad, nice. Loving all these veggies going
it's
on.
definitely Christmas in Jamaica. Yes.
Definitely Christmas in Jamaica. Very, very light this year.
Very little this year.
Yeah.
Oh, very light this year.
Very light.
Okay.
I mean, think about it too. It's just not the same in light of COVID. I mean, a lot of people have lost members of their families, loved ones. And for us, to me, it's more of thankfulness. We're thankful for life. We're thankful for the blessings that we still have a roof over our head. We're thankful that we have food to eat. You know, because it's more, to me, Thanksgiving is more, we have family, we have each other. We have each other. So true. Cakes and sorrel, yeah, that's the thing. Cakes and sorrel. As a matter of fact, I'm going out there to pick my sorrel today, so I can share my sorrel recipe with you guys. Update the photos. I need to update the photos. So thanks for reminding me that I need to go get the sorrel because I'm competing with the squirrels for sorrel. Literally.
You better be careful. They'll win.
They know it's good food. They know. Oh, this live has been so nice. So, guys, thank you. We, as bloggers, we also want to thank you for making 2020 very special for both of us. Our blogs are doing phenomenal. You're coming to our site. You're making the recipes. You are telling us, giving us the feedback. We are so thankful. So on behalf of Mirline and myself, we just love you guys. And because of you, we're here. We're happy to be on the live. We're happy to come back.
Exactly.
And just to thank you. You don't know how much from the bottom of our heart that we're thanking you guys for your support in 2020, for making this live show happen. Because of you, we came together and we're like, you guys are virtual. Everybody's on. Let's get out there and meet you. And so many of you, we keep seeing your names over and over again. And we're just so thankful for each of you. We want your families, blessings on you for 2021. It's almost like blessings on your family, health, coverance, protection from God Almighty. And we just love you guys. And
Yes.
thank you, Carrie. Love you so much. And because of you, you inspire us to keep creating recipes. It's like we can't, our basket is full and overflowing with ideas,
Oh,
with
yeah.
recipes that I couldn't even finish what I have for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving came and I'm like, I needed to do this, I needed to do that recipe, and I still, some of them are done, but there was just not enough time to
Of
put
course.
on the website. And it was the same for Mirline. We literally were up working Wednesday night, Mirline and I, trying to get content up for you guys. And I spent the whole night.
Even yesterday morning.
Yes, I spent the whole night. And it was, you
Mm-hmm.
guys are worth it. You are worth it so much because we love what we do. We're passionate about it. And we love you guys too. And we're answering your questions. A lot of questions on our website. I know Mirline too had questions. You guys were probably in a bind. You wanted
Yes.
substitutions. You didn't have this ingredient. And for
Or
me, it was,
substitution.
yes, I wanted to be there answering you. Those who even
Yeah.
physically called me, thank you. I was nice meeting you and connecting with you. This is what we're here for.
Consistent messages. Yes.
We're
Yes.
here to serve you. And we're blessed
Yeah.
by it. It's
And we're
better to
listening.
give than to receive.
Yeah.
All right.
Amen to that.
Any
Amen to
final
that.
comments, Mirline?
I'm looking forward to Christmas. I'm looking forward to Christmas. And like Michelle says, we are listening. We are listening. We are taking in your ideas, your wishes. We are learning to how to better serve you. So continue, please. And we look forward to being here every 2 weeks. We look forward to doing the research that we do. We look forward to providing you with the content that we do. We work hard for you. So it means a lot. It means a lot.
It does. It does.
It means
All
a lot. So
righty.
you
Enjoy
guys have
your
become a part
weekend.
of us. Yeah.
Enjoy your weekend and we'll see you
Stay
again.
safe. Stay safe. Don't forget to stay safe. Wash your hands.
Yes, yes,
Get your
yes,
hand sanitizers.
yes,
Get everything you need. Please wash
yes,
your hands. Be
yes.
safe. Wear your mask.
Wear
Do
your
what you need to
mask.
do to stay safe. The holiday is not over yet. People are still, we tend to forget when the
We
holiday
do.
comes. We
We
tend to
do.
forget what we need to do. We
We're
tend to
like,
forget
forget it.
how to
We're
be
just gonna
safe.
have fun, enjoy each other.
No, just, you can still have fun. You can still enjoy life. But you also want to be here when the holiday is over to continue to enjoy your life.
Amen. Well
You
said.
know, so just be
Well
safe, guys. Be safe.
said.
Be safe and continue to let us know what you need.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank
Thanks
you
those
so much, guys.
take care.
Thanks, Michelle. See you
Bye.
guys.
You can watch it. I'll have it up on my Instagram page so you can go
Yes.
watch
And don't forget to
whenever
follow
you
us also. We'll have it.
Yes. Enjoy the weekend with family and loved ones. Bye.
See you guys.
Bye.